Hello, everyone, and welcome to the very first episode of Creative English Conversations. My name is Noah.
And I'm Ava. We are so excited to start this journey with all of you.
Yes, absolutely. Our goal with this podcast is simple. We want to have easy, natural conversations to help you learn and practice your English.
Exactly. No difficult grammar, just real, everyday English. So, Noah, what's our topic for today?
Today, we are talking about something we all do every single day. We are talking about our morning routines.
Ooh, I like this topic. It's interesting to see how different people start their day.
It is. So why don't you start, Eva? Tell us about your morning routine. Are you a morning person?
I am. I'm definitely an early bird. I love mornings.
Early bird, huh? Let's talk about that. For our listeners, early bird is a phrase we use for someone who likes to wake up very early in the morning.
That's a perfect explanation. So, yes, I'm an early bird. My alarm rings at 6 a.m. and I usually get up right away.
Wow, 6 a.m.? That's early for me. What's the first thing you do?
The very first thing I do is drink a big glass of water. It helps me wake up. Then I do some light stretching for about 10 minutes. It feels so good to move my body after sleeping.
That sounds very healthy.
It is. After that, I go to the kitchen and make my breakfast. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. I usually have yogurt with some fruit and granola.
Yogurt and fruit. Nice and light.
Yes, while I eat, I don't look at my phone. I just sit and enjoy my food. After breakfast, I take a shower, brush my teeth, and get dressed for the day. And that's pretty much my routine.
It sounds very calm and organized. I'm a little jealous. No phone in the morning? That's impressive. I feel like the first thing I do is grab my phone. Why did you decide to do that?
Well, what about you, Noah? Tell us about your morning. I have a feeling it's a little different from mine.
You are correct. It is very different. If you are an early bird, then I am a night owl. I like staying up late, so mornings are difficult for me.
A night owl, so the opposite of an early bird, someone who likes to be awake late at night.
Exactly. My alarm rings around 7:30, but I always hit the snooze button.
Ah, the snooze button. I know that one. Can you explain what the snooze button is, Noah?
Of course, the snooze button is a button on your alarm clock. When you press it, the alarm stops, but it will ring again after a few minutes, maybe 5 or 10 minutes later. It lets you sleep a little bit more.
Right, a very dangerous button.
It is. I probably press it 2 or 3 times. When I finally get out of bed, I am a total zombie.
A zombie? Like from the horror movies?
Exactly. In English, we sometimes say we feel like a zombie in the morning. It just means we are very tired, we move slowly, and our brains are not working well yet.
Okay, that makes sense. I feel like a zombie if I don't sleep well.
So the first thing I need is coffee. I can't talk to anyone before I have my coffee.
Coffee is important.
Very. While my coffee is brewing, I check my emails and the news on my phone. After I have my coffee, I feel more human. Then I'll have a quick breakfast, usually just a piece of toast or a banana.
That's very different from my big breakfast.
Yeah, I don't have a big appetite in the morning. After that, it's the same as you. Shower, brush teeth, get dressed, and then I am ready to start my day.
So our routines are opposite at the start, but similar at the end. I like my quiet, calm morning, and you need your coffee to fight the zombie feeling.
That's a good way to put it. I think having a routine is important, even if it's a slow one like mine. It helps prepare my mind for the day.
I agree. It brings a sense of order. Is there anything you would like to change or add to your morning routine?
That's a great question. I would love to stop using the snooze button. Maybe wake up a little earlier and not look at my phone first thing. I think that would make my mornings more peaceful. What about you?
I would like to add reading. Maybe read a book for 15 minutes while I eat my breakfast. I think that would be a wonderful way to start the day.
That sounds really nice. So, to all our listeners, we have a question for you. What is your morning routine? Are you an early bird like Eva or a zombie like me?
Yes, let us know. Well, I think that brings us to the end of our first episode. This was a lot of fun, Noah.
It was. Thank you all so much for listening. We hope you enjoyed it and learned a new word or two. Talking about breakfast has made me hungry.
Me too. It's almost time for my mid-morning snack, in fact.
A mid-morning snack? Is that a regular part of your routine?
Absolutely. It's just something small, like a piece of fruit or some nuts to keep my energy up before lunch.
That's a great idea. You know, favorite snacks would be a perfect topic for our next conversation.
I love that. Let's do it. So join us next time on Creative English Conversations.
Until then, have a wonderful week. Bye, everyone.
So, bye.